Hello guys, welcome to Nateiva. We are here to speak about the top 3 features of a student user account. To begin with, we are going to see the study guide. The study guide is simply a way for teachers to upload material in their subject. The material uploaded could be notes, summary notes, or even audios for students to study later on. It's a very big advantage on this platform for students who want to do rehearsal classes or even want to study later on. Here, for instance, we have PDF file. As you can see, this is how the PDF file is being shown, and you can even open it in another tab to see better what you have here. Okay, that is it for study guide. And in the same line like the study guide, we have the school library. The school library, we know nowadays schools don't have or can't afford the possibility to have physical libraries. So Nateiva offers that possibility to put in some stuff for students so as to permit them to access that library no matter where they are. So the student will not more have to go to school or to the physical library since he already has the library in his phone. The last but not the least is the video conference section. Here we simply have students who can join classes online with the authorization or the permission of the teacher. The teacher creates the link and the student joins the link, and you have to read the instructions carefully before you enter any or join any class. So once you join the class, you have to connect your microphone, test it, and if it's okay, you just say yes.
You are now currently the only.
So as a student, the only thing you can do here is to listen to what the teacher will say. You can share your webcam if you want, and if you are granted permission on the whiteboard, then you can write something on it. You can have some discussion, you can share some notes, and that is it for the student account. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, you can ask for more clarification.